Okay, so today I'm going to be replacing the control panel on the Whirlpool Quiet Partner 4. So I already kind of took the door off, so this is what the dishwasher looks like. So in case you want to see if it looks like yours, I already took this off as well. So I can show you. So this is what I will be replacing. It's the Whirlpool Quiet Partner 4 control panel. In order to take this door off, there were 6 screws on the side that needed to come off first. And those needed to come off with, I needed to use this screwdriver that had a special kind of star tip. So, you will need some kind of screwdriver like that to get out the screws. I put the screws off to the side in a safe place so that after I fix it, I will be able to put it back together. Okay, so once you unscrew the door and take it off, this kind of just slides right out, and then you have to take off this cover on the control panel. Now, you see there's a tab here, and there's a tab on the other side there that you need to press in, and then this control panel just pops right off. So I needed my other hand, so I popped that right off. Now, before I get the other one out and start to replace this, what I will do is take a picture of this to just make sure I remember to put the things back where they go and make sure I have things configured correctly. So I advise you to do the same before starting. Okay, so the next step is going to be taking this piece out of this tray. Now, you kind of have to push this and pull this at the same time, and it pops out. So, let's see. I don't think I'm going to be able to do this with one hand. I'm gonna have to, so I have to do that on this side and this side, and then this whole thing just kind of pops out. So that's your next step. And once you pop that out, this connector kind of just slides right out. So you take this and kind of slide it out like this. Get that out. Okay, so now this piece has come apart, and next I'm going to have to take this apart, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. Okay, so this next piece here, this one just really like pops right out. You just kind of put your finger in here and take this one and this one, and this piece pops right out. So now this whole thing is, kind of out of this piece. So this is going to be garbage, and I've got the new piece right here. Okay, so I actually ordered this piece online. And I even expedited shipping, and so it came in a couple days. I ordered it Sunday, and today is Wednesday, and it's here. So now I'm going to just pop these pieces right back in. This one goes... am I doing this right? Yes, this one goes here. See, it just pops right on, and that's in. Now this has to go into that piece right there, so I'm going to do that next. Oh, this is kind of gummy, this. So you got to be careful. I'm kind of getting messy, but all right, so that's going to get next up. Using this garbage can thing here to hold it. So this goes back. I'm going to attach this in here first. So So I'm going to put that in, and then I'm going to pop this back in. So here, so that's my next step. Okay, so now I had snapped that in. I put this back. That just slides right in nice and easily. And now I have got to put this piece back on. So I just make sure all the wires are over here and to connect those two tabs. So that is my next step. So I make sure it lines up on both sides. And that's what I'm doing next. So I'm making sure this one lines up here. And then this one lines up over here. And then I'll be good to go. Okay, so that's snapped on without much of a problem. So now it's going to be the moment of truth too. I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to plug the dishwasher back in. I didn't mention that, but at the beginning you should definitely unplug the dishwasher to make sure you don't get electrocuted while playing with any of the wires. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back in on here. It just kind of slides right back. Okay, so here I am sliding this right back on here. Let's see. Okay, it slides right back on. Now I've got to put the door back on the dishwasher. So I'm actually going to try it out before I put the door back on. I'm going to try and make sure this works. To make sure I kind of did everything correctly, and you can actually try it with the door off. So I am going to try that. Let me pause this here and make sure I plugged it back in. For me, my plug is underneath my sink, all the way kind of back behind my disposal. That's where the plug for the dishwasher is. So I'm going to try that now. Okay, so as you can see, it is lighting up regularly. Whereas before, when I was pressing the normal button was blinking and not working. So it looks like my home repair fixed from this mom of three. If I can do this, you can do it. So now I'm going to put everything back together and actually run a load, since I haven't been able to do so in a few days. So let's put the door back on and okay, so as I'm putting this door back on, just a couple of tips. Start with these two screws. I've only put one in so far. I'm going to put the other one in next. And then after you do those two, do the rest on the sides, but alternate. So do one on this side, one on this side, one on this side, one on this side. And that'll help balance and kind of hold it together properly while you do it. So after that, you should be good. Okay, so moment of truth. It's done. Door's on. Normal. Start. Let's see. It hasn't worked for days. There we go. I hear it. Do you hear it? Yay. Okay, the end. If you like this video and want to see more, just click subscribe. Thank you.